Hi friend! In today's video, we're going to be talking about this Pansy eyelash shampoo. And I want to show how to clean lashes, which is really important things to us. You naturally build oil, dirt on your lashes. Even foundation can be stuck to them, so you really want to deep clean and brush them out. This shampoo includes 2 brushes. I think I will make my eyelash so easy and pleasant. Apply shampoo onto providing brush. Wipe the eyelid gently until all makeup, dirt, oil, and debris are cleansed away. The eyelash shampoo can help you easily dissolve the makeup on your eyelids and will not damage at all. It was perfect. The lather, no scent, no harsh chemicals, no residue, and it didn't dry out my eyelid. I found it most effective if I do one eye first, rather than both at the same time. I do this because I can close my one eye and open other. That way I can able to see what I'm doing. I will definitely use again.